मोइसी चिंजाक मही मरुंग थम्फम ओइगनीदना मियोई खरना थाजै मोइसी अतोप ग्रहवासी एलियन सिंह सारंबु ओइगनीदना सु मियोई खरना थाजरी अदुबो अरिब इजिप्ट की मरमदा नैनरिब इजिप्टोलॉजिस्ट सिंगनदी हाइक्रिब वाफम अनिमक्सै मसी अचुंबा अमत नत्ते हाइना फोंदोक्ले ngasi videos dai khangminasi pyramid ki maramda yam interesting oiba wa miyoibana saba pota khwai wangbasi masi pyramid singsna matam yam sangno oiduna lerami 1311 AD ki swaidagi sigi Lincoln Cathedral selector faudi sanglaba chahi ahumlomsi pyramid singsna khwaidagi wangbi structure oiragi lerami bane. Number 2, Malim ki ariba angak patarit ki manungda ngasi phawbo hingaga lehorisi sigi the Great Pyramid of Giza si khakta ngai horabani. Number 3, Pyramid singsi matau karamna saram livanu haiba sigi matangda YouTube channel kiyamada pangi iraga pangha thagatnaragasu leinungda tawraga phangba lemhawkhak pochai sing awraiduna hawkhraba matam nainariba archaeologist singnadi pyramid singsi sabda alien gi khut amdi mogi technology amata yaudedna hairi. Number 4, pyramid sabda khwai maruina changlamgadabu khulaisi sigi khetnanaba lead paija nungthang ulum amadi masing yamlaba sinmi singni. Number 5, sigi the Great Pyramid of Giza si sinmi lising kunna sabada chahi kullum changki hairi. Number 6, pyramid sanama matamda ngakningai oina mapasum lamiba labeling chap chap sanar mibsi sigi ulum harib khulai sigi mateng dagini alien gi laser no olam banati hairi. Number 7, pyramid sabda seasonary banungjaw singsi changchata tan ani makhairum dilummi amadi makhoi si mile kya gi athapda leiba nungkhong nungphupam dagi holakpani yam haisingna saba moigi ising khongsing adugi matengna lungkhrab nungjaw singdu sinimi sing aduna chingboy tawhanboi tawduna sapham tamna holakpu oigani hairi. Number 8, saba lorapda ngairingai ngalingi matam madudadi pyramid si ngasi aikoina uribasdagi yam sathina phajaba langbe helami khwai mapal thangba mamai singsi sununungna yam ningthijana teirami amadi tumpak leiriba masal sing asesu atangba dhatuna natraga sununungna tharap tupigum teirgu pamme maramsna athapdagi yengakpada fau nungsa thaktukpa urami hairi. Number 9, Giza ki pyramid singi mamangda sigi the Great Sphinx hariba mi makok panba nungsagi achauba murti ama khilibasi masigi maramsi Sphinx asna pyramid sing asibu yengsilhanaba senahanabagi wakhalondani hairi. Number 10, Sphinx ki manaton masjid ama yaudribasi Napoleon ki lanmi singna topna kaptha khibadagini haina jahi kiya thajaraga leinarami adubu Napoleon ki matam mamang 1737 ki swaidagi Sphinx ki manaton se dung kintharaga lerame haibasi kona phangakpa ayekpa laidagi khangba ngamaki. Number 11, 15th century da Arab historian amanasu asumne irambale madudi Sphinx ki manaton ase Muhammad Saim Aldar kauba Sufi Muslim amana thugai kibni haina kari maram ki thugai diba Egyptian lomi singna ising isong na piba China jiteng hantan biudana Sphinx da asa thaka tawdana pangkhoi da khoiram madu uba madamda madu napcha da dharma gi thongni dana mana khalami Muhammad Saim Aldar na khalami masdagi mana thugai gi yauna thugai khibani isni thugai ru basik da masu sibagi charak pi khidana su irami. Number 12, pyramid sing asi Egypt ki khwai fawa pharaoh singi mongpham oina sarambani haibasna pyramid sarambagi khwaidagi paksan na thajanaba maram maduni Galaxy wang malana parakptinga maga kaishulai taba GPS ti puthopangam da alien singna mogi lamit min lamtak na sarambana te haibane. Hello friends, have you heard about an investment platform from which you can earn stable daily profit very easily and securely? Yes, I'm talking about Sungame investment platform. Today, let me explain you about how to use this very profitable investment application. First thing first, download the application from the description link. Clicking on the link, you will find this registration interface. To register, enter your mobile number, password, and your email. Now, log into your Sun investment account by using the mobile number and the password you just created. After this, please click on this mine icon pointed by the bottom head of the arrow. Then this wallet icon pointed by the top head of the arrow to enter the research interface. From here, select the INR option, then select the amount to research. Please click on the FastPay top-up option and click on the Pay Now button to enter the payment interface. And please complete the investment research according to the process. Now, kindly submit the research payment screenshot to account manager. In this point, you will receive a 20% cashback immediately in your account. The higher the research amount for its member, this 20% cashback will be higher and higher. There's no upper limit on the research amount and the cashback amount. But most importantly, in order to become an investor in this platform, you must first join the Analyst Forecast Investment Telegram group. It's mandatory. Link to join the group will be available in description. After joining the Telegram group, earn huge profits by following forecast investment deals provided by analysts every day. You can invest in this platform for a long time to obtain stable income and better living conditions. You can choose to research more amount every day to get more 20% cashback every day. It's digital age now. Be a part of it. Earn on it. Earn with Sungam, the most trusted investment platform. Analyst forecast team everyday follow tawduna haisungna profit tan bio adu ningsing bio sale ki thabuk haibasi mitkum na hum singdaba section dabdi yadabane Sungams.